Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Sunday, everybody. I am here just with a quick pre-recorded video. I hope you all had a great day. For this Easter, I think it's, oh God, I forget how you say it. But anyways, here's this Easter thing. How cute is this? Okay, the one I seen was painted white, but I am addicted to the sea glass now, guys. I did this in the sea glass green. I really want the pink. It's this right here. This Krylon sea glass in seafoam green. That is what I used. It's all Dollar Tree. This is all Dollar Tree, except for this paper I had. But how cute is he? Okay, I'm going to show you what I did. What I used was a 6-inch glass bowl from the Dollar Tree, the salad plate from the Dollar Tree, and the glass candlestick from the Dollar Tree. Now, I painted the candlestick with the sea glass, and I painted the back of the plate with the sea glass. 3 light coats. Like, I sprayed it lightly, then let it dry, sprayed it, let it dry, sprayed it. Okay. Then, here's what they look like when you're done. Okay, this is my second take on this video. I just have to tell you, because I showed you all how to glue this on, and then I didn't have the bowl upstairs with me, so I had to pull it off. So I have like a little boo-boo in the center, but if I put my hand there, maybe you can't see it. I tried to paint it back up, but it won't work. Okay, but anyways, here is what I am using. My Gorilla Clear Grip adhesive. Guys, I love this stuff. I know you guys use E6000, but I like this better because it grips a lot quicker. I just like glued this an hour ago, and this is like perfect. I mean, I need to let it really cure 24 hours, but it is perfect to pick up, move around. I can pick the lid up with the bunny. I'm going to show you. Okay. There's my glue. So now I flip my dish over, and you're going to center it in your dish. Well, I'm going to put it right back on my glue mark from before. And this is what this will be. I'm going to let this dry. Okay, that will be that. Now, for the top of the bowl, I used one of these bunnies from the Dollar Tree. And what you have to do is open it up. I'll have to save these paints for the grandchildren. Okay, I use my needle nose pliers, and I pull this out. Now, sometimes, see, this one is icky looking. My last pre-recorded I was just making before I had to stop came out really good. See this? I need to fix that. Right now, there's a big clump there, so I'm going to sand that down. Okay. Now, see, I have the 2 holes. If you think the paint's not going to cover those 2 holes, just use some air dry clay or whatever you want to use. I was using my air dry clay, which is really getting yucky. It's going to have to go in the garbage soon, I think. But I was applying that into my holes. Okay. Made a mess of my hands again. Always making a mess of my hands. My fingernails are a disaster. Okay. I applied that into my holes, and I will let it dry. After it dries, I'll sand it with a fine grit sandpaper. And you'll look on your rabbit, and there'll be like all these imperfections, and you might just want to sand them a little bit off. There's like all weird little chips and cuts, but you just want to sand them a little bit, okay? When that dries, sand that off. Now, this bunny, I tried to give it texture. I don't know. It's okay, but I think you could just paint it white. I tried this American Deco texture paint. I tried to give it a little texture. It came out okay, but you can just paint it white. You can use a chalk paint or just a white craft paint. I just use white craft paint. See them? Then you would add this Gorilla Glue or whatever, if you're using E6000, on the bottom, and you are going to glue it to the top of the bowl. Tell me I forgot my bowl again. Oh, Lord. Let's just forget about the bowl. Okay, this is why I stopped the video before, guys. Let me see if I could scrape this off. Okay, let me see if I could scrape this off. I could. Because I washed it and had the sticky all off it. And of course, I forgot the bowl. Again, downstairs. Okay, I'm going to use some alcohol to get my glue off. All right, there we go. Okay, so you would add your glue on the bottom of this, and you would glue it on here. Now, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to show you another idea I have. Okay, I really wish, and I know Hobby Lobby has them, a green glass knob. This had this screwed into the back of it, and I just used my pliers to take it out. This is a pink one. But you have to make sure that you're going to have a flat space to put your glue on there. So I would glue the sea glass green, and I would put that on top. Now, I wish I had the pink paint, because if I did the pink sea glass, I could have used the pink knob. I don't have a green one, but I know they sell them. I'm going to have to go get one, because I am going to want to put a green knob on here, because I want to use it in my bathroom. So I want to do this. Okay, these are eggs from the Dollar Tree also. They come in this little 6-pack like this. These are eggs. The paper, see, I just glued this an hour ago. And look, guys, I could pick it up. Okay, my paper is what I had. And but this is from Michael's because it's Celebrate. It's from Michael's. I just used this brown grass paper I had. But here's my idea. I want to go get a green glass knob. And I want to glue it to the top of here. Like that. And I want to put it in my bathroom on my shelf with my sea glass candy jar that I put my Q-tips in. I want to put that. This will be green, don't forget. But I'm going to put my smelly soaps, my Old Crow soaps and stuff I have. I want to put them under there and put it on my shelf. I just love it. I love it. It's so simple, guys. You just take your grass if you want it for Easter. Now, you could do whatever colors you want. And you can paint it white if you want. But I'm addicted to the sea glass. It's something different. Everyone's painting everything white. And I wanted to do something different. So, just arrange your eggs in there with your paper. And put your lid on top. And you have a cute little Easter display. How cute is that? And you can do spring in the summer. I think I would take the eggs out and I would put flowers under here. I'm not sure. I have to think about it. You know me. It takes me like 3 days to think about something. But how pretty is this with the sea glass rather than just white paint? I'm loving it. I am loving it. But I am going to go get a sea glass green knob. And I have to get my pink sea glass paint. I have to get that. Because I want to paint some things. Okay. If you like this idea, guys, for this little dish, or my idea for the bathroom with the glass knob on the top, just decorate the page. Decorate my page with your friends. And I am going to pick someone on Tuesday. And I am going to send you the bowl, the glass plate, the candle holder. I have a bunny downstairs. A bunny I will send you. And I will send you a pack of eggs. And I'll send you some straw. And you can do whatever you want. Maybe you want to do the glass knob like I was thinking. It's up to you. Or maybe you want to paint it white. It's up to you. But I will send you this kit to make this, except for the paint. Except for the paint. But I'll send you the kit to make this. Okay. So if you like this video, just decorate the page, guys. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you all in a little while. Bye.